We have many beautiful creatures on the planet. Some of them are adorable, but not necessarily the nicest to be around. You know how we say, never judge a book by its cover? Well, that's certainly true for these guys. Because there are animals that might seem innocent and shy, but they can be deadly. Animals like slow loris with their big puppy eyes can melt your heart, but they could also poison you. If you want to know about them and some other cute yet dangerous animals, keep on watching. Welcome back to another episode. Today, we are going to share the most dangerous animals that look harmless. Killing and attacking have been a part of this world for ages. People have preyed upon animals for their survival, and as time passed, they developed the skills needed for defending themselves. The pufferfish is a great example of this. It might fascinate us how adorable they are, but in the dark depths of the ocean, their nature changes completely. Did you know that practically all pufferfish contain tetrodotoxin, which is dangerous to people? When tetrodotoxin is ingested, it closes down the sensory system and stops functions like breathing that are vital to our survival. Individuals of Haiti accept that the toxic substance in pufferfish makes actual zombies. Haiti is situated in the Caribbean Sea on a portion of the island of Hispaniola. During the 1980s, anthropologist Wade Davis researched the Haitian zombie and revealed that they are a long way from a folkloric myth. He revealed that Haitian voodoo priests were making a creation that incorporated the pufferfish chemical tetrodotoxin, blended in with voodoo divination to cause a loss of motion in individuals and transform them into real-life zombies. Crazy, right? It's believed that individuals are transformed into zombies as a punishment, and if an individual passes on unnatural causes like murder, the voodoo priests may zombify them to get labor and to work their farms. Maybe it's best to stay far away from these fish. Another venomous creature that seems to be one of the most adorable animals on the planet is the slow loris. These big round eyes might make you want to adopt them, but taking them home won't end well. Slow loris is the only known venomous primate. Their bite can cause immense pain and make the affected part swell up. The venom consists of their saliva and brachial gland exudate. This combination creates an extremely dangerous poison. Scary, right? These guys originated from Southeast Asia, and people there keep water tanks to stay safe from their lethal bites. As soon as one gets bit by the slow loris, the victim dumps his affected area in the water. Similarly, the polar bear has many of us fooled. Ever since we saw that Coca-Cola ad of the polar bear, we've been tricked into thinking they are warm, fuzzy animals you just want a big hug from. But like any carnivore, they can 100% rip their prey apart in the blink of an eye. Their small round ears eliminate heat loss, and their chubby body is actually a thick coat to protect them from snowy weather. In addition, their strong paws not only help them to kill the prey in no time, but also helps them to walk in snow efficiently. Moreover, their white fur helps them to camouflage in white snow while hunting. These traits of a polar bear make him adorable and deadly at the same time. Speaking of beautiful snow white animals, let's talk about the mute swan for a minute, the very picture of grace and elegance. Well, not for long. These huge, beautiful white birds with knobbed orange bills are initially from Eurasia, imported to North America as living enrichments for ornamental lakes. Their bent necks and masterful attitude brought their owners a bit of romance and traces of Tchaikovsky's Swan Lake. The imported birds were hostage, yet their offsprings were not. In the 1900s, mute swans turned out to be ridiculously effective and spread along the East Coast from Maine to South Carolina, with more modest groups in the Great Lakes and Pacific Northwest. And that's when the problem started. Mute swans are exceptionally regional. While protecting their territory and taking care of regions, they pursue and peck any species that hold them up, even if it's human beings. Since they are large and forceful, they rarely need to battle. Basically, raising their wings is enough to send their victims running. Mute swans win through terrorizing. The outcome is that local waterfowl are driven off their favorite places, and the swans' huge food cravings corrupt the vegetative fields. The two issues seem to be the cause of local waterfowl decays. There are some surprising animals on this list too, like man's best friend in the water, the dolphin. They are friendly and intelligent, but little did we know that a kind of dolphin can attack and kill humans too. This whale is known as ORCA and belongs to the dolphin family. These dolphins have black and white patterns on their body, and they come with surprisingly sharp teeth that can chew anything from underwater plants to meat. But aside from that, these dolphins are known to kill their young ones, and because of jealousy. If the male dolphin finds a female dolphin mating with a younger dolphin or feels threatened by his own young, the male dolphin will kill them by bashing and heaving them around the air. This killing instinct has actually been utilized by the U.S. Naval Force. The U.S. Naval Force Marine Mammal Program is directed by the U.S. Naval Force, which contemplates the tactical use of well-evolved marine creatures, primarily bottlenose dolphins and California sea lions. They will train these sea creatures to perform tasks, for example, boat and harbor security, mine discovery and clearance, and equipment recovery. The program is situated in San Diego, California, where creatures are housed and prepared continuously. Wouldn't it be amazing to have Navy dolphins? Other than killer whales, we have some domestic animals that can threaten our safety too, like man's best friend on the ground. In the dogs category, we have breeds like Rottweilers, German Shepherds, Pit Bulls, and Huskies that can tear us apart if they consider us a danger to their home. They sure are sincere creatures towards humans, but if they aren't trained well, they can turn a happy moment into a disaster in no time. Some of them are so dangerous that they are banned in many countries. So better train your pets before they bring you in some real trouble. There is plenty of trouble in farms as well with donkeys. A donkey's kick is enough to seriously injure you, and they are known to even rip foxes apart to keep the smaller farm animals safe. Phew. But who are we to blame animals for not being mannered when we humans are 5 steps ahead in killing and degrading each other? We might forget humans are animals too, and we are the deadliest of all. We have been in wars, blasts, murders, and whatnot just to bring each other down. We have brilliant analytical minds to change the world for good. But sadly, we use that brain power to build destructive tools. Animals kill to protect their boundaries or their young, but we kill to conquer. So, who's more dangerous now? Do you agree with us? Which creature was your favorite in our video? If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more animal content, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.